Hi ma'am, this is Nitin from CSC branch B section. The allotted topic for CAA 2 assignment was about Cauchy's mean value theorem. Subject name linear algebraic and calculus. Subject code 23MAT01. State Cauchy's mean value theorem and find C of Cauchy's mean value for f of x is equals to root x and g of x is equals to 1 by root x in a comma b intervals. Cauchy's mean value theorem. If f comma g are any two functions defined in the a comma b intervals such that f comma g are continuous on a comma b intervals. F comma g are differential in a comma b. G dash of x is not equals to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b. Then there exists a point C belongs to a comma b such that f of b minus f of a whole divided by g of b minus g of a is equals to f dash of c by g dash of c. F of x comma g of x are polynomials in x. Therefore, f comma g are continuous in a comma b intervals. G dash of x is equals to 1 by 2 root x. G of x is equals to x power minus 1 by 2. G dash of x is equals to 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. G dash of x is equals to minus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. G dash of x is not equals to 0. Therefore, f of x comma g of x is differentiable in a comma b intervals. G dash of x is not equals to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, such that by Cauchy's mean value theorem, there exists a point C belongs to a comma b. G dash of c by f dash of c by g dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a 1 by 2 root c whole divided by minus 1 by 2 c power minus 3 by 2 is equals to root b minus root a whole divided by 1 by root b minus 1 by root a minus c whole power minus 1 by 2 into c power 3 by 2 is equals to root a minus root b whole by minus 1 by root a minus root b whole divided by root b minus root a. Minus c is equals to root b minus root a by root b minus root a into minus 1 into root a root b. C is equals to root of ab. C belongs to a comma b. Since a comma b are greater than 0, therefore root of ab is a geometric mean which is lies in between A and B. Conclusion. C belongs to A comma B, which verifies Cauchy's mean value theorem. By this, we will know about the Cauchy's mean value theorem and the functions of Cauchy's mean value theorem, and we can verify the Cauchy's mean value theorem by any question by explained by this. Thank you, ma'am.